Okay, so I'm on the roof of the property here. I'm going to use this 4-inch cast iron vent stack. There is a cast iron clean out on the side of the property adjacent to the kitchen. However, those things are usually impossible to get through. So I elect it to go on the vent stack, which gives me a nice clear path. So I get down to the bottom, I'm going to zero out the camera. Bottom left, you see the feet. Okay, so it's 16 feet down, you'll see it zero out. Starting at 0 so we know the right distance. Again, this is from the master bathroom. See, we got cast iron piping. You see the water flowing. I turn my camera a little bit. Snap picture there. Typical corrosion scaling, not a ton, but it's there. It's 20 feet in. That's a good picture of the corrosion scaling, but it's wide open, it's moving. So it's looking pretty good thus far. Okay, I'm making a little turn here, about 32 feet. Still looks good. Little corrosion scaling, water's flowing nicely. You see another turn here, and this is at 45 feet. Hopefully I can make this turn, no problems. More turns, the more difficult it gets to push this line. Alright, so we're in. Clean the camera a little bit. So you can see progress is slow, a lot of turns. I'm going to try a different vent stack. As of now, it's as far as I can get. So I'm going to pause the video. Okay, continuing our video. I'm now opened up this 2-inch clean out, waistline clean out below the kitchen sink. I ran some water, see where we're at. Hopefully we'll have good luck of going in this way. Cast iron. It's pretty good. Cast iron. A little bit of corrosion scaling, but actually not that bad. So we're still on the waistlines here. bound there. And corrosion scaling in these waistlines, if you ever do work, I would change them out. They're functioning. Okay, let's hopefully. Well, it looks like this dropped down. I don't know that I can make this turn. Another shot. Okay. At the risk of breaking my line, I gave it a few attempts. I just can't make that turn. See, it's a real sharp turn there. My recommendation is we install a two-way cleanout. They're out front. Trace the line, install two-way cleanout, and then continue this inspection.